In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 2Checkout on your WordPress store. We'll walk through finding the official 2Checkout payment gateway for WooCommerce on WordPress.com and starting the install process so you can accept payments seamlessly on your store. Begin by heading to the WordPress.com site's dashboard. This is your central hub to manage sites connected to your WordPress.com account. Once you're there, look for plugins in the left-hand navigation and open it. This takes you to the plugin library where you can browse or search for exactly what you need. Use the search bar and type 2Checkout. You should see a result called Payment Gateway, 2Checkout for WooCommerce. Click the listing to open its details page. If you see variations of the title, choose the one that clearly indicates it's a WooCommerce payment gateway. On the details page, you'll typically see confirmation that the gateway supports major payment methods like credit and debit cards and may also integrate with additional providers. This is a good sign you're in the right place. Before you proceed, take a moment to review the tabs on this page. Start with the Description tab to understand what the plugin does, the checkout flow it provides, and any highlights about compatibility. Next, check the Installation tab to learn about technical requirements, supported WooCommerce versions, and any specific notes you'll want to keep in mind when you activate the gateway later. The Changelog tab shows the update history, which helps you confirm the plugin is actively maintained and compatible with recent WordPress and WooCommerce releases. Finally, the FAQs tab is a great place to scan for common questions about currency support, regions, and typical configuration points, so you know what to expect after activation. When you're ready, click Get Started. WordPress.com will guide you into a quick setup flow to add this plugin to a site. You'll be prompted to choose a domain. If you want a new domain, use the Search Domains option and pick one that fits your brand. If you already have a domain, select the option that indicates you already have one and follow the prompts to connect it. When you've made your choice, click Continue to proceed. From here, WordPress.com will finalize the plugin setup for the selected site. After it's added, you'll find the 2Checkout settings inside WooCommerce, where you can complete configuration, connect your 2Checkout account, and tailor payment options to your store's needs. That's the full walkthrough to locate the correct gateway, review its details,